Imagine waking up one day and realizing that every single dollar you own is being tracked. Every purchase, every donation, even the smallest transaction is monitored by the government. Welcome to the world of central bank digital currencies, for CBDCs. While they may sound like the next evolution of money, there's a darker side most people don't know about. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. This topic might sound complex to some, but don't worry, we're breaking it down in a way that's easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll see why CBDCs could have a serious impact on your financial freedom and privacy, and also ways to avoid it. First thing first, what exactly is a central bank digital currency? Well, a central bank digital currency is a digital version of a country's traditional currency, like the dollar or the euro or the Great British pound. But unlike cash, which you can hold in your wallet, CBDCs are completely digital and controlled by the government or central bank. On the surface, they might sound like cryptocurrency, but they're not decentralized like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In fact, they are the complete opposite. They are centralized, which means they are fully controlled by the government or the bank or the central bank. Now, central banks say that CBDCs offer lots of benefits like easier and faster transactions, more secure payments, and better financial access for everyone. They promise to reduce cash-related crimes, make it easy to give loans, and help people who don't have access to traditional banks. But let's think about what that actually means when it's under total government control. With CBDCs, with central bank digital currencies, every dollar you spend, every transfer you make, and every cent you save is traceable. That brings us to the dangers that we all need to be aware of. Let's get into the risks. Here are some of the biggest concerns when it comes to central bank digital currencies. Number one, loss of financial privacy. Right now, if you spend cash, it's private. Only you and the person you pay know about it. With central bank digital currencies, there is no privacy. Every transaction is recorded. This level of surveillance could be used to track your purchases, your habits, and even your location. Imagine if your spending was being monitored in real time. Number two, control over your money. One of the scariest parts of CBDCs is that they allow a central bank to have complete control over your money. The government could set rules about how you're allowed to use your own funds. For example, they could limit how much you can spend on certain items, or even where you could spend it. In extreme cases, governments could freeze your account if they believe you're doing something illegal or suspicious. With central bank digital currencies, this could happen instantly. It might sound far-fetched, but with full control over a digital currency, it's technically possible. Number three, negative interest rates and expiring money. This one bothers me the most. Negative interest rates. Right now, you expect to earn interest if you save money, right? But in a CBDC system, the government could apply negative interest rates, which means they can take money directly from your digital wallet if they want to encourage spending. Think of it like an expiring coupon. If you don't spend your money in a certain period of time, that money could expire. Number four, social credit system risks. In some countries, like China, we already see a social credit system in place, where your behavior is tracked and affects your access to things like travel or loans. If a CBDC system is used in a similar way, it could lead to restrictions based on your spending patterns or actions. A government could deny you access to certain services or even limit where you're allowed to go based on their assessment of your behavior. So that plane ticket to the Far East or to a holiday destination, maybe you've exceeded your carbon credits, so you'll be denied. Or maybe you've said something or lied, so you're denied boarding even a train. Or maybe you spent too much time out of your 15-minute city. You see where we're going with this? It's a big problem. So why should you care about this if you have nothing to hide? But it's not just about hiding things. It's about freedom and control over your own money and choices. When you give an authority total control over your finances, it limits your personal freedom and privacy. CBDCs could make it easier for governments to control people's behavior, suppress dissent, or even punish in ways that we cannot even imagine yet. So what can you actually do about this? While central bank digital currencies are on the horizon, it's important to stay informed, talk about these risks, understand how these systems work, and be cautious about blindly accepting digital currencies without questioning the potential loss of privacy and freedom. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum are decentralized and protect individual control, which is why they're often seen as an alternative. So educate yourself on these options, and remember, the more you understand now, the more you can make informed decisions in the future. Now, whether you'd educate yourself using free platforms like YouTube or paid platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, YouTube itself can be a great resource, as well as other platforms, but sometimes paid courses can give you more granular information where they go into depth that allows you to practically apply the knowledge in the real world. So make sure you educate yourself today and do not think that this is not going to impact you in some way. Until next time, take care.